Question 1. Wolseley 1885, year 1971. The 1885 was the upscale Wolseley version of BMC's famously roomy Land Crab. Question 2. Ford Prefect 107E, year 1960. The 107E paired the older Prefect body with the newer Anglia 105E engine. Question 3. Aston Martin DB4, year 1961. The DB4 was the first Aston Martin to use Touring's lightweight Superleggera body construction. Question 4. MGB, year 1965. The MGB was one of the first sports cars to use a controlled crumple zone design. Question 5. Vauxhall Cresta PA, year 1960. The PA Cresta became famous for its dramatic American-inspired tail fins and wraparound styling. Question 6. Morris Minor 1000, year 1963. The Minor was one of the first British cars to sell more than 1 million units. Question 7. Austin 1100, year 1966. The Austin 1100 was Britain's best-selling car for much of the 1960s. Question 8. Aston Martin DB5, year 1964. The DB5 became world famous as James Bond's signature car. Question 9. Sunbeam Rapier Series V, year 1967. The Rapier was a stylish British pillarless coupe from the Roots Group. Question 10. Triumph TR6, year 1969. The TR6 was styled by Carman and became one of Triumph's best-known sports cars. Question 11. Vauxhall Velox PA, year 1960. The PA series Velox borrowed dramatic American-inspired styling for the British market. Question 12. Triumph 2000, year 1966. The Triumph 2000 was styled by Giovanni Michelotti and helped modernize Triumph's image in the 1960s. Question 13, Triumph 1300, year 1966. The Triumph 1300 was one of the first front-wheel drive Triumph saloons. Question 14, Vauxhall Velox PB, year 1963. The Velox PB shared its body shell with the more luxurious Cresta. Question 15, Ford Consul Classic, year 1961. The Consul Classic was nicknamed the bathtub because of its curved American-inspired styling. Question 16, Austin 3 Litre, year 1969. The Austin 3 Litre used hydroelastic suspension to give a notably smooth ride for a big British saloon. Question 17, Rover P5B Coupe, year 1968. The P5B used Rover's famous 3.5-litre V8, derived from a Buick design. Question 18, Austin-Healey Sprite Mk I, year 1961. The Sprite Mk I was nicknamed the Bugatti in the US because of its protruding headlights. Question 19, Ford Capri Mk I, year 1969. The Capri was famously marketed as the car you always promised yourself. Question 20, Morris Mini Traveller, year 1960. The Mini Traveller used external ashwood trim as a structural and styling feature.